We are gonna go pick up the keys to our new house. Welcome to my new house. So this is the living room dining area. So we're gonna put like a sofa, a TV, dining table, everything in here, but you kind of just have to use your imagination because right now we have nothing. And then over here is the kitchen, which is my favorite part of the house.
Katie's space.
We have so many cupboards and shit, like crazy with your nice cup in there.
Look at the drawers.
Yeah, it's so cute. And then through here is gonna be like my sister's room with
my dungeon.
Snakes. Yeah, this is like your little room. I was thinking you should put like a bookshelf as well.
Oh yeah,
like
my coffin bookshelf.
Yeah, and then have like a little cozy chair. And then in here we have the garage. Yet again, not really mine part of the house, but it's just a garage.
Motorbikes.
And then a little storage cupboard, which we can put ugly shit in.
You should show the laundry bit in the garage. That's really cool.
Oh,
yeah.
So we have this little section here, I guess, washing machine here.
Yeah, washer, dryer in those two.
What is this for? To dry your clothes?
Yeah, I guess once you've like clean them, just hang them up.
Cool. Oh, is that a fucking cockroach? Is that a cockroach?
Oh, it's just a baby.
That's disgusting. That's my first cockroach that I've seen. This bathroom, we don't talk about the bathrooms because
Just don't look.
they're gonna get redone anyway, so they're all really ugly, but like we're gonna ignore the bathrooms. It's fine.
We trust the process.
And then this is gonna be my sister's room. She has a walk-in closet. Where's the light? This isn't it.
I can't believe Katie's letting me have the walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet. And then
Yeah.
that's just
Yeah, close the door.
it just exists. Cool. Upstairs. So I kind of have free reign of everything upstairs. I'm thinking this is going to be my bedroom. So we have a closet here. Kind of annoying that there's no mirror, but we'll let it go. And then we have a cute little view from out the front. A little cupboard. I have enough storage though. Literally two of these.
There's so much storage in this house.
Yeah, because it's for like a family of
A family of Katie Alice.
my bathroom. Nice and brown and yellow.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. Another storage cupboard. And then this will probably be like my work room, music room, storage room. I don't really know, we'll figure this out through time. But yeah. And the garden.
Neighbour watch.
But yeah, that's my empty house tour, and you guys will have to follow me along for when I buy furniture. How many do you get?
4. So there's four knives, 4 forks, 4 spoons.
Does it work out cheaper? $22?
$22, or it's going to be
£2.50
times 4.
Well, we just need to work out what the cheapest deal is. Cutlery. Done. Like, is it these ones? Do you like these ones?
I don't care.
Well, then let's get those ones. That's those.
That's the small ones, that's the big ones.
So just the big ones.
Yeah? your grate is massive. Is that just a thing? I'm not going to know what it's just around. Today is like move-in day part 2. I look like a rat, like I've literally not showered, I've not done my skincare, I've not done anything to look good. Like I have greasy hair. I didn't really sleep last night because sleeping in a house alone is actually so scary. But yeah, there may not be a lot of vlogging today because I think it's easier to just actually help rather than film people trying to move my shit. I should probably just help. But this is like the anesthetic part of moving, but that's the little update. So I'm basically just moving all my shit upstairs. We've got so many people coming today. We have a fridge being delivered, washing machine, dryer. Okay, so I've kind of done as much as I can with the unpacking situation, and I don't want to give you guys a full room tour, and by any means this is not a full room tour because I still have a lot of furniture and things coming, but I'm going to show you guys what everything looks like right now. So at the moment, the front of my room, I just have my bags hung up because I don't actually know how I'm going to hang these. Anyway, so those are my bags and I have my robe hanging up. I'm probably going to get like a sticky hook to put this on. It's also really, really creased from being in my suitcase, but I'm sure we can figure that out. Then down here is my bedside table. I don't know if I'm going to change this or not. My sister just got it for me, but I kind of wanted like a wooden one or an oak one. But I don't know, it does look cute, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with that yet. I put my cables in here. This is just what I always do because I think that it keeps them a bit more neat than just having them out on the floor. And then, like I say, it's probably not going to stay like this, but this is just like the temporary situation. So I have my little mood board that I had to bring with me, and yeah, just some cute plants. Then I have my bed. Probably gonna get more pillows, don't know, don't have enough money to just buy random shit, so I'm trying to prioritize what I actually need to buy. And then my sister got me this blanket, which is super soft, and then I also have this shabby chic throw that I brought from home. And then I have a plant that my sister got. I don't know if this is gonna stay in my room or if I'm gonna put it downstairs somewhere, like maybe in the hallway. I think it could look really cute. I don't know, but for now it's going here because I have actually just ordered a vanity to go here and I'm really hoping that it'll fit in this little space. And then I have a mirror, but I kind of want to get rid of this and put a mirror on here because I'm not really feeling this. This needs to be sorted out, whether I get a mirror or whether I hang things on it or put a poster up. I don't know, but I'm not feeling this. And in this space here, either I will get a new mirror and put it here, or I'm thinking I will put some sort of drawer organization, or I actually don't know, but basically this is probably going to go on display. I'm not really sure what to do with this yet. It's just a lot of my pink skincare. And then I have piles of stuff to hang here because I've already hung up majority of my stuff. Actually, it's probably not the majority, it's probably like 50% of my stuff. Obviously, I've separated, as usual, my black clothes from my pink clothes, although this actually does look kind of cool. The separation is so real, like my two personalities. We are going shopping again for more things for the house. Let's go. Checking to see if this is the right shade of pink. Oh, that's purple.
I mean, it doesn't technically specify that it is pink.
Yeah, but like that doesn't look like that. It's definitely more of a candy, like purpley. Yeah, fuck that.